Hi everyone, thanks so much for helping us plan Luis's birthday, his Operation Birthday 2019 Luis Alvarez edition. Savi, say hi to everyone.
Hi.
What is the one thing that they need to know about this?
It's top secret.
What does that mean?
You can't tell anyone else at all. Just between us. Top secret.
Perfect. So we're just going to give a quick overview of the day. We're going to really start having a slow morning at home. We're going to cook some of his favorite things for breakfast and ultimately give him a box with a missing present inside. The only thing that will be there is a picture of this map, and he's going to have to figure out where that is and make sure that we get there by 11 a.m. Because at 11 a.m., we will be meeting Miss Quinteros, possibly Anna and Ray if they're available, at the Santa Fe Springs Park. And so, Savi, tell them about the task that your dad needs to complete there.
My dad must complete some type of exercise routine to earn the gift. In conversation, recommended Burger City Grill for lunch. We need to leave by 12 p.m.
Because my parents will be meeting us there at 12:15. Now, once this routine is completed, Q, you're able to give him his gift, which is a green puzzle box. So, if you want to show him the green puzzle box?
This is one, right?
Show it to the camera.
Green puzzle box. It is very hard.
Inside are some Hollywood Bowl tickets, which is his present. But basically, there's also a clue. There is no clue on this one. No, this one you're gonna give him the Hollywood Bowl tickets, and he needs to figure out to take your lunch recommendation to eat lunch there, because my parents are going to be at Burger City Grill. They are going to arrive ahead of time, but when your dad arrives, what does he have to do to get his prize?
Dad must finish eating lunch. At the end of lunch, you guys have to give him the gift that includes the clue. We must leave at 1:30.
All right, and show them the money maze.
The money maze.
That flat one.
Yeah. So this is the money maze.
And inside of that are Hollywood Bowl tickets again, but written on them are anagrams that basically spell out California Science Center, meaning we need to then leave to go to the California Science Center. Once we arrive, we will find the Martinez family eagerly awaiting us. And obviously, with the help of the kids, Luis is going to be finding the answers to these questions. So I'm asking Martinez's if you are able to print that and have that with you when we meet you at the California Science Center. I would greatly appreciate it. There are different segments, they're Freyer models that basically show what... kind of like a scavenger hunt of the California Science Center. But ultimately, they have 2 hours to finish it. They need to solve it by 3 p.m. Once that's solved, we can give them Chewy will give them an envelope that looks seemingly blank, nothing on it. But when we use a magic light that Chewy will provide him,
Black light.
What does it show?
It shows black light.
Higher.
Okay. Can't really.
Yeah, but there's black light stuff written all over it, and on the tickets that are inside are the coordinates, the longitude and latitude coordinates that will lead him to the Phantom Carriage Brewery at 6 p.m., where he will have his next task. But I'm hoping you guys are going to be able to watch Savi basically from while we're at the bar, and meet up with us for dessert for the last destination. Let me know if you guys are able to do that. We would really appreciate it. So once he gets the coordinates, it should be taking him to the Phantom Carriage Brewery, and where Monica and Roan are going to be basically inviting a whole bunch of people to meet us there. We want drinking games. As far as you and Roan can come up with kind of like maybe a series of drinking game tasks that he needs to complete. But he does need to be one step before throw up drunk when we leave. He can't be too far gone, because we will be meeting up with the Martinezes at the Pie Hole in Long Beach, in addition to everyone else who wants to join us from the bar afterwards. Once he finishes your drinking tasks, you guys can give him the pinball puzzle. Savi, where's it? Show them the pinball puzzle.
Pinball puzzle. Right here.
All right. And he needs to solve it. And inside are Hollywood Bowl tickets, written with blacklight, the Pie Hole, Long Beach. So he knows that he needs to be there. Then when we show up at the Pie Hole in Long Beach, Savi will be there with the Martinezes, I'm hoping. And while we're eating dessert, Savi needs to get his dad to say these words exactly. What do you need to get him to say?
This is the best birthday ever.
All right. And once he says that, what can you do?
I can present the actual gift.
Which we just decided, we don't have it yet. It hasn't been delivered.
Nope.
But what is the actual gift?
It's a watch with a leather hand thing. I don't know what it's called.
Leather band.
Leather band. And
what color is the face?
The face is black, and the rim, like the thing around the clock, is like, it's like a bronze. It's like
bronze,
a bronze gold-ish color.
And that's going to be in a watch box. Yes. And there's also going to be some additional Hollywood Bowl tickets in there. But that is essentially the present that he earns. So this is the entire day. We'll be quite busy throughout it. But I think it should be a lot of fun. And that will basically be the end of his birthday scavenger hunt. Just as a quick review, I just want to make sure you guys know. So we're talking about Monday, June 17th. Essentially 11 a.m. That's where Q steps in. My parents will be there for lunch at 12:15. Martinez's, we're going to meet you at the California Science Center at 1 p.m. And that possibly 1:30, we'll let you know. And Monica and Justin will be 4 p.m. at the bar. So if you can get people to show up there, maybe about 3:50, that would probably be best. And then at 8 o'clock, Martinez's, we will be... Sorry, I changed that to 8:30. At 8:30, we are going to be meeting up at the Pie Hole for dessert and everyone else from the bar that decides to come and join us. All right, so that is the summary of the day. Again, I really appreciate your guys' help in this. This would not be possible without you. And Savi and I just want to say...
Thank you.
Thank you. And just text me if you have any questions.